channel. Today we're going to be doing a video to organize my closet slash pantry that we have in our house. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so in our house we do not have a pantry. So since this closet has nobody inside this room, because this is a bedroom, but we have this empty closet, so we're using it as a storage as of right now, basically, kind of, for our foods and for our extra stuff that we've been stocking up. So I'm just gonna be actually putting it away and just organizing, because I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's an actual big mess. And so I just went to Costco and grabbed some stuff, and so I need to organize this pantry and get it all organized, so when we are looking for something we can actually grab it and just go. So I hope you guys enjoy and organize with me. Alright guys, all done. I just put some cereals up there, cookies, these are all cookies, chips, snacks, Put some water, some juices down here, sodas, water, and then over here I put the baby's diapers and wipes, and then toilet paper, napkins, rice, potatoes, and then I put a bag of onions back there. And then right here we have some other chips. I'm gonna try to see if those fit up there. Got some extra oil, some juice, some sodas, and then up here as well, some tortillas, juice, some snacks for the kids, ketchup, croissants, salt, and some mayonnaise back there. And then I have some cake mix right here, just some cake for the kids. And then some cereal, I don't know if I already said that. Some sugar. And yeah, it looks much better because everything was just literally just thrown in here. And this is what needs to be recycled. So yeah guys, I hope this gave you the motivation. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And please don't forget to subscribe down below and leave me a comment and a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.